Hello, good morning. This is Minan Magallanes. Welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna put our Rotopax with lock mount. In order to put my Rotopax lock mount, so I have to make this 4x6 aluminum plate. It's about 1/4 inch in order to mount this on my mount rack. So this is how you mount this. Because the rack is built only for 4-wheel campers, so you have to customize your plate. If you can put it in, and then you slide it. Ayun. There you go. And to mount this, you have to replace the bolt that comes with it, because it's not gonna fit here, it's gonna hit the back. So I replace it with 1/4 inch size nut and bolt. And then this one is 3/8 with a 9/16 head. We're just gonna tighten this. And we're gonna mount it like that. And then you take the Rotopax lock. So this is how you secure it. You just tighten it, whatever desired tightness you want. And then you put the lock. There you have it. Now we have extra fuel with us with Rotopax. Thank you for watching. Bye.